Well, here I am. Not too much of a movie person, but hoping this new Teen Titans Go movie would be good enough for the original Teen Titans movie run. Here I go again.
Later.
What the just happened? What's going on YouTube? I'm Amino, and it's been a while since I made some videos like this because I'm kind of sick and all. But today we're going to take a look at these Jolly Kid meals. To tell you the truth, where I'm from, we used to have these, and they're originally called Jollibee Kids meals, but I think they just went back in time calling them kiddie meals. But these are a bit weird because it's based on the new Teen Titans Go to the Movies movie. And had to admit, not too much of a movie person, but I got the whole set like most people. So let's open them up. So I got these yesterday, by the way. So my first location, I got Robin, Raven, Starfire. I got these three from one location, and then if I could get one out, please just stay over there. I got Beast Boy and Robin. I mean Cyborg. I got from the other location. Now I had to admit, I'm not too much of a Teen Titans person. Like I watched the original and I heard the remake kind of fucked. But I got all these ones and I usually saw some YouTube videos on them. In fact, when I saw the commercial of it, it was pretty alright. I mean, this isn't the first time they've been into Happy Meal toys. I mean, Jollibee Kid Meal toys, but they were the original Teen Titans. But speaking of them, let's just take them out. And last pack. So these kind of took a while, and since they're all out of their bags, let's just take a look at them one by one. Please ignore the sun. All right. With no particular order, we have here Robin, and the gimmick is he came with Z's disc, this one being his you know what thing, I don't know what it is, the R for Robin, and this disc with the Teen Titans Go to the Movies logo, and it also says in the disc launcher. And the main gimmick is, if I can put him right here, he got this toy. I don't know what's with this toy that has these things online. But if you take one of these discs and place it right here, and shoot it, and if I press this button, it's pretty neat. Let's just try it with some other figures. Let's go with this Inkling amiibo. Looks like it got hit in the face for no reason. For our other toy, we have Starfire, and you just put her in this base right here, and maybe she's like popping out or something. Oh yeah, she launched once you put this thing here. I don't know what this thing is, but I really hated that they use battery tabs instead of actual switches. But let's just see what this does. Huh. Oh sweet, her eyes just open. Like, but one gimmick is you press this button once she's in her base, she launched. But in the other gimmick, if I can focus, which I can't, her eyes light up. So that's pretty neat. Next up we have Cyborg, which he's pretty weird. But there's one switch which controls one of his arms. He's also have a base, so if I can stick it there. And he includes that if you put one of these arm attachments, like this some flasher for example, and if you just pull this lever here, his arm just moved. I don't know what's with this one. I'll see if it's compatible with the other arm. Kinda. Now you can choose which arm you want to put these on. That's pretty alright. And also for number 4 we have Raven, voiced by Tara Strong. And you just put her in her base, and you just have one gimmick that she actually has this stick in her back of her cape or robe or something, and you just lift her up. And her complaint, she's also has a battery tap. Why did Jollibee go for battery taps instead of switches? And had the same gimmick as Starfire. If I could focus here, her eyes light up, but red. Pretty natural. And for our 5 out of 5, we have Beast Boy. Here he's his figure, and he also has a base. So, guessing all of the Teen Titans characters has bases. And the gimmick is he came with these parts, which if you place the mask in his face, which I don't know why he just falls like that, and his wings, and his buttocks, pretty weak, and you press this button, the wings flap. So that's really all of the Amino toys for the Teen Titans Go. So see you on my next video, and like and subscribe. See you.